It's a beautiful morning. It's very quiet and you can hear the birds singing. Beautiful wood duck. Green heron is in deep thoughts. Great blue heron and great egret. Do you hear it? See that? Marsh wren? This guy was singing loud. Eastern kingbird. Some kind of spider web. Brown thrasher is singing there. I like this kind of quiet morning. You could hear the birds singing and that's the female. Oh, it's right there. Took my camera out and then it took off. That's the life of the birder. White-eyed vireo is loud and clear. I'm trying to find white-eyed vireo. He's somewhere up there. Here you go. Now I got you. I just heard the ovenbird singing. Let's see if we can find it. See the ovenbird? He's walking away. He's coming back. Very nice. Squirrels are so fascinating animals. It's interesting to think what goes on in their mind. Not much. Carolina wren. Red-winged blackbird, female. Little blue heron. Looks like they're already molting. You know what's there? Worm-eating warbler. Here you go. See it? He got the worm. Nice. Palm warbler. Look at how bright it is. Beautiful. Look, yellow rumps are all bright and nice. Yeah, these birds are about to leave. They are already in breeding colors. Parula came right in front of me. Belated woodpecker. Nice hairstyle. He's working hard. Alright, I made it back home now. And see you all next time, wherever I am.